Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking this pumpkin flavored dough, we're going to roll it in some pumpkin spice cinnamon sugar, and we are creating fall's best cookie. This cookie just screams fall time, and I'm talking about pumpkin spice snickerdoodles. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in a little bit of salt, baking soda, and some cream of tartar. Then we're going to add in a little bit of cinnamon and some pumpkin spice. Go ahead and whisk this all around, get everything combined. Alrighty, that looks perfect. Alright, now let's go to our wet ingredients. I have my big old bowl right here. I'm going to add in some butter flavored shortening and some butter because I like that little combo. It makes a nice chewy texture, so I usually use those two for my cookies when I'm making like a really chewy, dense cookie. Okay, now I'm going to add in some granulated sugar. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of light brown sugar. That combo makes the best cookie ever. Okay, go ahead and mix this around until it is creamy. Then I'm going to add in my eggs. I'm going to add in 2 eggs. All right, room temperature eggs. Go ahead and dump that right in there. We're going to mix this up until those eggs are all combined. And next I'm going to add in my pure pumpkin. I love that these cookies have pure pumpkin because it's really going to give them that nice, beautiful color and that light pumpkin-y flavor. So go ahead and add that pure pumpkin. Don't get the pumpkin pie mix, okay? Get the canned pure pumpkin. All right, so now we're going to mix this all in there and get it all combined. It's gonna look a little bit, splotchy and spotted once you add in that pumpkin, but no worries, honey, that is exactly how it's supposed to look. Just keep on mixing it until it looks like this right here, all creamy and stuff. That looks great. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our vanilla extract. I'm just doing 1 teaspoon. You can do 2 if you want to. Dump that in the batter. And then just give it a stir until it is all mixed in. And now we're going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. You can do this in small little batches. You don't have to dump it all in there at one time because it does make it a bit more difficult to stir when you dump it all in. But just keep on stirring, sister, because I promise you eventually you will have a nice soft dough like this right here. Okay, so now we're going to get our plastic wrap and we are going to do something that you're going to hate. And that is we're going to cover this up and let it sit overnight. I know, you got to chill it in the fridge overnight. I hate that part, but you gotta do it, okay? All right, so it is the next day. Let's make our cinnamon sugar coating. I have some pumpkin spice and cinnamon. I'm gonna add it to a bowl of sugar and I'm going to stir, stir, stir just until it is combined, and that is looking good. Okay, so now we can bring out our dough. It's been in the fridge overnight and it is nice and chilled. And when you put it in the fridge overnight, it makes it nice and firm, but it also really bumps up that pumpkin flavor. So yeah, don't skip that step. Okay, I'm gonna scoop out a little ball of dough. I'm gonna roll it in my hands to get it nice and uniformed and stuff. And then I'm gonna just dump it right into that little cinnamon sugar. Make sure that pumpkin spice cinnamon sugar mixture, and then place it on my prepared pan. And that's it. You're just gonna go ahead and repeat that until you have all those little balls of dough coated in that sugar mixture. And now we're gonna place it into the oven, 325 for about 11 to 12 minutes. When it comes out, let it sit on the pan for about a minute or 2 just to finish cooking, kind of firm up a bit. And then place it on a cooling rack to finish cooling off completely. And that is it, you guys. The texture of these cookies are so amazing because they're so dense, they're thick, and they're chewy, and they're so incredibly soft. You gotta make them perfect for fall time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.